Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm MR2, and today I'm swapping my radio over to a new one. So if you guys watched my last video, you will know that I upgraded all my speakers to Pioneer speakers and they sound so good. I just need a new radio to go with them. So this is my current radio. What came stock with the car was a cassette player, which I had for like almost a year, and so I just got this one off Amazon, but now I'm going to upgrade it to a much better one to go with the speakers. I'm also going to be updating all of this trim as well, because I work in a messy job and things like this happens and it doesn't look good, so I'm going to be updating that as well. So we are just being super careful and just getting all of the pop clips loosened around the trim. These crack a lot and these crack a lot, so make sure you do it properly and take your time. So all of the trims are out and are everywhere, as you can see. I'm now going to be taking out this old radio, and I'm also going to be taking out this blanking plate because Chris has cup holders, which were only in a few of the MR2s, but he's got them, so we're going to swap. He's going to have this blanking plate, and his car is also up for sale on Cars and Classics, guys. I will put a picture of it on the screen, but yeah, this is an OEM part, so he's going to have this and I'm going to have his cup holders. Okay, now all of those bolts are out, we should be able to just pull this centre bit out and then disconnect all the wires.
Foundation in darkest grey, the shade I'm in.
Okay, so we have used the connectors from the old radio, put them on there, and now we are gonna see if we can tune this one. So I've just taken these brackets off the blanking plate off the side that then clip into the side, so I need to just attach these to the side of the radio and then bolt it all in. Okay, so I've just put the bracket on the right hand side, and it seems to fit in there okay, which is good, because that's an issue I had with the last one, was it was too wide for the centre bit, but this one seems to be okay. So I'm going to tighten these up and then put the bracket on the other side, and yeah, good to go. Okay, so I'm just tightening up these ones now, these bolts that go back in the actual bracket, and it seems to fit okay. I don't have the cup holders right now, so this is just going to stay blank, but in about 2-3 weeks we should have them. So radio is all installed, all works, all good to go. I will get the cup holders for this eventually, but it's just going to have to stay blank for now. What we are moving on to now is we have found some random speakers for these rear speakers back here. So we're just going to see if they fit, because they are a funny size, but hopefully they do. Okay, so these are the stock speakers that come with the car. They are a funny size, and that size is quite hard to find, but hopefully the ones we have fit it. So there are these tiny little screws, there's 4 of them in there. I got 2, but I can't do the other 2, so Chris is having to get them off. They're on there, aren't they?
I may or may not have just immediately popped it off first track.
Never mind then.
No, it was pretty tough to get the first turn going. Don't expect.
Don't let someone 6'2"
Yeah.
in the back of your MR2 that has no back seats. Because he's stuck. Okay, so that was a painful process to get 4 tiny screws out, but they are out, and I'm hoping these new ones fit now. Looking at them, I don't know whether they will.
We'll see.
We'll see. Okay.
Just got to pop the connector out.
Let's get this out.
Yeah.
Let's get it out. Okay, so we are using our mini pry bar to take the glue from behind this and hopefully get it to come off. Let's come here. Oh, this is such a pain. Oh, there we go.
The magnet now.
Oh, there's more foam. That's fun.
We don't like foam.
We don't like foam. Let's get that out. Okay, you can't even see, but we're doing some intense surgery right now.
Oh, the pliers are broken.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
We're going to do some intense surgery.
We're going to do some intense surgery.
Never mind.
Nope, okay, not those either.
No.
We've been doing this for hours. Are you ready? No? Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay, so these are the new speakers. I don't know if they're gonna fit in there.
We might have to take the bracket off.
Okay. We are gonna see if that is enough wire sharing to do a quick test on the speakers.
Is The Greatest Showman in?
I don't know. We've been stuck listening to The Greatest Showman because that's the only thing we can have on here right now. The only CD that's in there. What is it gonna be? Oh, CD. Here we go. Okay, so I am taking this side off now, and I just realised that this opens because I want to get subs in here, but there's no wires. Chris is still battling with that side. We are sat so awkwardly in here, but it's doable. It's a nightmare.
It'd be easier if we took the seats out.
We're not taking the seats out.
Until we put the bucket seat in.
Yes, but that's a different video.
That we're doing in about 10 minutes time.
Nope, absolutely not. I need dinner. So it feels like we've been here for hours because we can't connect these wires to the speaker. So
yeah,
you're trying something now, aren't you? We're just gonna wrap it round and electrical tape it and hope it works.
Hope and pray.
Yeah, that's where we're at. It's too late in the day for this right now. It's been a long day, but we've done it. We've put this side in. We're not doing the other side today.
The other side's in pieces. The centre console's in pieces. It's been a day. I've caught the sun. Oh my.
Stop checking yourself out in the GoPro.